Talk.
It's raining. Every time we go outside, it's raining.
Yeah, it's like literally we were getting ready to go home, and it just started like pouring like half of a second after we decided we were going to go home.
You can't even see it.
Look, all the baseball people are like going
Yeah.
home, and we can't go home. We don't have a ride. And Julie's phone doesn't have minutes.
Yeah.
Mickey's phone doesn't have minutes. And I'm really honked up.
Okay. So yeah, there's like random people in here, and I don't know what's happening, and it's wet right there. And like,
I just noticed that.
I know, and we're just really like scared because we just don't know what's happening because there's just a whole bunch of rain coming down from the sky, and there's kids running around, and there's a baseball game over there, and I feel bad for people, but we will never ride home. Thanks, Dad, for not getting minutes from my phone. Thanks. Not that you would watch this video, but I'm just saying. And
We should dance in the rain.
who's gonna hold the camera?
Well, I'll dance first, and then you can dance.
Okay, she's dancing in the rain, I guess. I don't know. Okay, hey, Sadie, check. High School Musical pose on 3, guys. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Haley, Sadie, check. What are you doing? Exactly, that's why, see.
Okay, you dance. What am I supposed to do? I don't know. I just winged it. That's from our church camp. Her phone. Right?
Right now, my hair's doing this.
Okay. Okay. What now?
I don't know. It's just my phone. That's a hot flash.
There's random people like running around outside, so we should play tennis. Should go
Tennis.
get tennis racket stuff and go play tennis in the rain.
That would be good if we had a tennis racket. Can you text your mom? She doesn't know how to text back. Okay, well,
Bye. Yeah, we're gonna go now because it's raining and we need to find a way home. So.
Bye.